Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can connect your Steam account with Ubisoft Connect. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Ubisoft Connect. Open up the first site that comes up and simply log in with your account. And after that, click on download for PC button present at the top right corner and it will start downloading. Since I already have the software installed, I'll cancel it. After downloading and installing, open up the software and simply log in with your account again. Now just tap on the hamburger menu present at the top right corner and select settings. Now select account linking tab from the left side menu and then check mark the box stating remind me of account linking. Now just restart the software and you'll be able to link your Steam account with Ubisoft Connect. And that's how you can connect your Steam account with Ubisoft. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.